Hello friends, welcome to the toothscorner.com videos. Today let us see, is Greek yogurt good for weight loss? Its benefits with a healthy recipe. Let us begin. Greek yogurt is also known as strained yogurt and it is different from the regular sweet yogurt. The making of Greek yogurt involves a process in which lactose and extra water are extracted out. The creamy yogurt that remains has lesser sugar content, the right amount of carb along with a sour taste. Some yogurt manufacturers add extra amount of thickening agents to the usual yogurt and claim it as Greek yogurt, which might not give the same health benefits as the actual ones do. Now let us see the benefits of Greek yogurt. Daily consumption of Greek yogurt is necessarily helpful in many different ways due to its extraordinary benefits. Consuming Greek yogurt is extremely useful when you are trying to control the carb intake or may be allergic to the carbs, as in the case of diabetes. As it contains a minimum amount of carbohydrate compared to the standard yogurt, there is lesser sugar content, so it is easy to digest. Along with protein content, Greek yogurt contains calcium that is essential for bone health. It helps in keeping blood sugar under control. It even contains good fat, which helps with effective weight loss, thus boosts metabolism too. Now let us see how consuming Greek yogurt is effective in losing weight. Consuming diet rich in protein leads to an increased intake of calories that you burn on an average every day. Therefore, it is always a good idea to raise the amount of protein-rich foods in every meal. Along with the protein-rich diet, consuming Greek yogurt can also help you to burn calories. You can even eat Greek yogurt in a balanced diet as it provides 20 grams of protein and 9 grams of carbohydrates. It helps to consume less amount of food the entire day. As hunger is the enemy of weight loss, consuming Greek yogurt largely helps in keeping you full for hours, thus making you one step closer to the healthy weight. Always try to consume Greek yogurt along with meals since it will control the urge to eat. Now let us note down a healthy Greek yogurt bowl recipe. Fruit and nut yogurt is a healthy and nutritious breakfast that is an alternative to cereal and will keep you full until lunch. Please note down the ingredients for the same. You need 3 tablespoons chopped mixed nuts, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 sliced banana, 1 to 2 handful of chopped apple, and 1 cup Greek yogurt. Please note down the method. Mix the nuts, chia seeds, sliced bananas and chopped apple. Layer up in a bowl with Greek yogurt and enjoy. I hope you agree with me and include Greek yogurt in your diet every day for weight loss and remain free from various ailments. Thank you.